Hey, Sheriff, I got the best idea ever. Whoa, Lightning McQueen, what's your idea? We will sneak out at night. Wait, no, I am not sneaking out at night. No. Come on, let's sneak out at night. Okay, fine. If you want to get in trouble, then okay. We'll sneak out at night. Well, Sheriff, we're here. Hey, Sheriff, where are you? I'm down here, Lightning McQueen. Wait a minute. We got zapped into air wrong flames, so I'm really Lightning McQueen. No, we're dreaming. I'm dreaming. Yeah. Okay, Sheriff. We're here. Time to sneak out. Man, look at all of the lights. Well, it is what they call dark. I'm a bit worried. What in the world are you worried for? There's nothing to be scared of. Won't we see something? You are arrested. See, Lightning McQueen, I told you it was a bad idea to sneak out at night. I'm coming to get you. Run!